In this video, you will learn how to sell items on Market.CSGO.com. But before that, we'll introduce you to the important rules of safe selling on the site. Safe authorization. Do not use your login, password, and code from the Steam Guard application to authorize on unknown sites. There are many projects on the internet with fake sign-in forms, and if you enter the above 3 parameters, scammers will have almost full access to your Steam account. They will be able to steal your items via trade spoofing, as well as spend your balance on the Market.CSGO.com or Steam Marketplace. In 2022, Steam solved the problem with this type of fraud and introduced a new form of secure authorization with a QR code. Open your Steam mobile application, point the camera at the QR code, which is generated for authorization on the site, and confirm the authorization. If you don't see the QR code on the authorization page, it is a fraudulent site. If the Steam application generates an error when you attempt to authorize via scanning the QR code, it is a fraudulent project. In both cases mentioned above, it is worth closing the site and not using it. Deals in private messages. Be careful of those who try to negotiate a deal in private messages. You should not follow the requests of such people and do everything they ask, because it can lead to the loss of your account and your items. If a potential buyer asks you to accept an incoming trade, follow a link to a site to inspect an item's float, give an item to a bot, or perform any other operations not covered in our instructions, he's most likely trying to trick you. Trade link privacy. Keep an eye on your trade link. Don't put it out to the public and in your Steam profile description, as well as don't place it on any other third-party resources. Support staff. We have no support staff on Steam. If someone adds you as a friend, introducing himself as an agent of our technical support, just ignore such users. They are scammers. Summary. Summing up all of the above, we want to say that our site and the Steam system itself are very well protected from hacking. Fraudsters can't access an account that is protected by Steam Guard, but they can lure a user to a phishing site with a fake authorization form. You can see an example of such a project on your screen right now. To avoid such situations, we advise you to follow our recommendations for secure authorization on sites and use only trusted projects. If necessary, add a bookmark in your browser with the right project. Don't click on search engine advertising results. They may give out phishing sites. To sell skins from the CSGO game on the Market.CSGO.com website, you will need to install the MarketApp program, or use a special browser extension that can be installed by clicking on the appropriate button. In this video, we'll take a look how to sell skins using the MarketApp client. First, click on your profile in the upper right corner, and then go to the settings section. Under Basic Settings, you need to specify your current trade link. You can find it out by clicking on the blue button, Where to find the trade link. Copy and paste it into the trade link text box. Next, you need to install the MarketApp client by clicking on the button at the top of the website. After clicking on it, download the client relevant to your operating system. Then install it on your computer. You can run the client immediately after installation, or from the folder where all files saved in the browser are downloaded. The last step is to fill in your details, which are the password and nickname of your Steam account. Proxy is optional. Now you need to create an API key. You need it to access the trade mode and manage trade offers. First, go to the settings of your profile on the market. In the API key binding section, click on Where can I find my Steam API key? Then enter something in the domain field, accept the user agreement, and click Register. After that, click on the button Refresh, which is located on the market settings. In the verification section of the API key, make sure that the first characters of the key coincide with those at the beginning of the key you have just created. With this key, our site will check the status of your outgoing trades, so if you tie an incorrect API key, the market will not see the created trades and will not credit the money for the sale of items. The resulting key is secret. You do not need to show it to anyone and do not need to enter it anywhere. After registering the key, launch the previously downloaded client. On the website, click on Enable Sales button. Then update your inventory and put your skins up for sale. The lower the price, the faster the skin will be bought from you. If you set an instant sale price, the skin will be redeemed from you instantly. After the skin has been purchased, the client will automatically create an outgoing trade, and you only need to confirm the transfer of the items in the Steam Mobile Authenticator. If you have any problems using our site, you can ask a question in the support section.